After researching 26 camp stoves, testing 13, and dissecting 3 of them, down to the welded copper tubing and soldered burner plates, we discovered that the Coleman Classic Propane Camping Stove is, in fact, uncomplicated yet great. Finding the perfect camping stove can be overwhelming with so many options, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best camping stoves from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Coleman Classic 2-Burner. The Coleman Classic 2-Burner makes the list as our favorite pick for a dependable stove. It shares the sleek, packable design as the Coleman 3-in-1, but lacks some of the power and efficiency. One of our favorite features of this stove was how easy it was to pack and carry into camp. It has a slim design that makes it easy to fit into the Tetris of a packed car. It is a simple, reliable design that also makes it easy and dependable to operate. When testing 3 stoves side by side, our gear analysts enjoyed cooking on this stove more so than either of the other 2, without question, because of how easy it is to use and how consistent the cook is. When running frantically around from stove to stove, this one was steady and didn't need much attention, a feature we appreciate in camp settings when there are usually many distractions. We wish that the stove had a built-in ignition, but we don't have major complaints beyond this. Yes, it lacks some power that other stoves deliver, but power isn't the metric that everyone needs from their camp stove. We would take a perfectly cooked pot of rice over a super powerful stove. This Coleman upholds the brand's reputation well. It is reliable, easy to use, and cooks a good pot of rice, even outperforming a $400 camp stove. The drawbacks are slight and shouldn't deter the average camp chef or beginner cook, though someone looking for more power and efficiency might want to look at some of our other favorite camp stoves. Number 2. Gas 1GS 3400P. The Gas 1GS 3400P is our number 2 stove in 2025 because of its versatility, quick and reliable cooking, and intuitive design. This stove is an excellent beginner stove that more advanced camp chefs will appreciate as well. It has easy-to-use features, travels very well, has amazing power, and can use either propane or butane. Our drawbacks to this stove are limited and mostly about compromises made to ensure the lightness of this stove. Things like windshields that may not bother you if you prioritize light and quick. As a single burner, this stove can limit the meals you might want to make on it. If you have a cookbook full of one-pot meals, this may not be a drawback for you. However, if you are the one to love bacon and pancakes with your eggs, and for them all to be hot at the same time, this stove may not be a great option. One thing we missed from this stove was a wind guard, but we know that this omission helps keep this stove light and easy to fit into its little case to transport. And boy, does this thing transport easily. We love that this stove is one of the most versatile of our favorite camp stoves, enhancing its already great value. It can be used with either propane or butane, giving first-time users a chance to try out both fuel types. This dual fuel feature also allows this stove to work well in all temperatures, as butane doesn't perform well below 31 degrees. There's no reason to leave this one at home for your next adventure. Number 3. 2-Burner Outdoor Camping Modular Cooking Stove. The Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer 2-Burner Outdoor Camping Modular Cooking Stove is a beast of a stove and perfect for multiple-day raft trips, family campouts and cookouts, and any outdoor cook camp where you'll be feeding a lot of people. It is not the easiest to fit in a smaller rig that is also loaded with camping gear. We wish we had this for tailgating or being a trail angel, because it has the power and capacity to cook massive amounts of food. It's the stove you want when you have a big crowd. It has powerful output with a wicked flame that can cook a heck of a burger just as well as it can cook a pot of rice. This stove's large frame is easy to clean, but it doesn't fold or compact. The legs are removable and adjustable, and the windscreen detaches, but the stove still takes up a lot of space in a car. On top of that, you'll have to make room for a propane tank. This might not be a problem for someone with a truck, but it doesn't work well for a Subaru driver who is also packing other camp supplies. Despite this, we believe this stove is a great value for someone who will use it in other settings, like at home as a grill or tailgating. Camp Chef has tons of attachments that fit this stove. It is also the stove we would recommend for a week to 2-week-long camping trips. Number 4. Blackstone Original 17 Tabletop Griddle with Hood. Though the Blackstone Original 17 Tabletop Griddle with Hood can be cumbersome and requires more care than the average camp stove, it offers features that inspire great camp meals. With a built-in hood and cast-iron griddle top, this stove cooks evenly and well. We love that we could sauté peppers, fry eggs, and cook bacon at the same time on the 17-inch griddle, allowing for a hot breakfast that all came out at the same time. However, it was not able to efficiently boil a liter of water. There are more considerations with this grill than with others in our favorites, such as care, weight, and portability. This stove is by far the heaviest and most cumbersome of the bunch. Unlike something like the Jetboil Genesis base camp system that we feel could take a tumbling or two in a truck bed, packing the Blackstone feels precious and must be transported with care. The cast iron that we love so much for its cooking abilities does require maintenance. Blacktop suggests seasoning after each use to prevent damage. For grilling, this stove is amazing. However, we would recommend adding a single burner, like the Gas 1GS 3400P, to boil and simmer. For those who love setting up a raging tailgate or love lounging around camp, this stove is a great option. It can cook for large crowds easily, keep a consistent temperature in the wind, and truly makes a stunning plate of food. Number 5. Rab Proteum 27. The Coleman Classic 2-burner stove is a dependable option for campers seeking a straightforward and efficient cooking solution. Not only does its slim, compact design make packing simple, but setup is also quick and controls are intuitive. Additionally, with 2 burners delivering steady heat, it handles everyday camp meals with ease, making it a reliable choice for beginners and casual campers alike. Furthermore, its portability ensures that it fits comfortably in crowded car trunks or small campsite setups. This stove is perfect for campers, small families, and weekend travelers who want a simple, portable, and easy-to-operate stove without unnecessary complexity. Moreover, it is ideal for those who prioritize reliability over maximum power. We love its even heat distribution, intuitive controls, and compact form factor. In addition, it makes cooking at camp hassle-free, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip instead of constantly adjusting the flame. Yes, if you need a reliable, portable 2-burner stove for everyday camping meals. However, keep in mind it lacks a piezo igniter and isn't the most powerful option. Still, it excels in simplicity, consistency, and ease of use, making it a strong choice for most campers. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.